We visited Mentai Park, the museum of pollack roll, and factory. Pollack roll is very popular ingredient in Japan.
This is pollack fish roll right here. Oishi. Yeah, this whole building is just for fish. Eggs.
Eggs.
Fish eggs. We can try different food with fish egg.
Pollack roll museum. Welcome to the pollack roll world.
Cute for Halloween.
Let's take photo.
Different types of fish.
This is a pollack. Pacific cod.
Pacific, Atlantic, and this one's pollack.
Pollack.
And this one,
Komai.
omai, and this one,
Silver cod.
silver cod. And this is the belly of the pollack, and they get the fish, the eggs out of there.
Egg have not yet fully developed. Next. Mature.
Eggs are mature in the perfect state to be made to cod roll Mentai. They are in general texture and widely processed products ranging from everyday items to gifts. Mature eggs that have been started to lay eggs that will contain water will be attached and will lose their shape and skin for tear easily. They will taste great. These eggs have started to spawn and become more moist and break apart one by one, making them easily to remove from the thin skin, making them ideal for making mantado, pasta sauce, or squid mantado.
Pollack courtship voice. In Japan, 30,000 tons of pollack roll are consumed in 1 year.
That's a lot. Oh, they make fried rice with it.
In Russia, every fish egg called ikura.
Ikra. Oh, they're doing it. Oh, this is cool. The factory workers are processing the fish. Well, it looks like a Kewpie mayo with roe in it. Mix it all up. Then it goes through a laser scan to make sure everything is fresh.
He's a very famous singer.
With the roe as well. Salads, mayonnaise, different soups, mushrooms, bread.
Hot dog.
Spicy pollack inside those hot dogs. And these are all sorts of products you can buy that have pollack roll in it. Or on hot pot, lot pollack roll right on top. It's dim sum with pollack roll. These are gift boxes you can find people.
Squid plus
Squid with pollack roll.
Yeah, pollack roll.
Different
Other
type of squid.
Yeah.
And this is the pollack roll itself.
It's spicy.
This is their character. Cute little character. Burgers, pizza, eggs, tempura, anything you want. And this you can put on also anything you want. Salads,
Dressing.
soups, whatever. Gift box sets. And anywhere you go in Japan, you can find these type of gift box sets with all sorts of different things in it. In Japan, this is part of their culture
Traditional food.
and tradition.
You shouldn't eat too much because it's egg.
Yeah, but they still eat it. What's this? It's a cracker? The egg in it as well.
Oh my god. なんで小林焼きそばの原料は一切広島ってどこ
I can live without that. I don't like it as much.
You don't like it? Look, mentai
Oh.
chocolate.
And they also add the eggs with chocolate in it.
And cookie.
So did it in all sorts of different ways. And Susie got her free bag of chips from the Mentai Park. This is a fun place for Japanese people to come and visit and have a nice meal. Very, very interesting.
They have playing games. To win more chips.
12 million people have visited this factory. They even have ice cream with the eggs inside.